Hi, I'm Raveena Tandon, and you are right now watching Dhanak. So enjoy yourself and have a good life.
Hi, Raveena. It's a pleasure to welcome you to Dhanak. I don't need to introduce you. I think most of our audience are very familiar with you. They know Raveena Tandon, good looking, good dancer, and good actress too. But we saw a very different Raveena in Pardesi Babu. Simple, daily, something different. Do you want to know how did that role come about?
Well, I've been lucky so far up till now. I've been trying to balance my roles, as in there are films where I've played, as usual, the rich, spoilt, bimbet girl of a millionaire who's stomping and bashing her cars into the poor man that's the hero, obviously, and falling in love and singing songs and going. But then I've been lucky enough that the people have even accepted me in roles like Pardesi Babu as well as Ghulam-e-Mustafa, where these are all very serious films. There's another film that's coming up that's Mr. Ram Gopal Verma's, that's called Shool.
Oh, okay.
That's
Whom are you starting that with?
that's with Manoj Bajpayee. He was in Satya. And it's again a very, very non-glamorous role completely. So, so far I've been lucky that they've accepted me in, other heroines have not been so lucky as far as, they either stuck to their glamour stereotype or they're either stuck to their serious role stereotype. But I've been lucky. I've sort of been balancing, and now my films ahead will see a lot more of me trying to do different. Yeah. For example, there's a film called Das, which I was doing. Das is with Sanjay Dutt and Salman. In that I'm not playing a heroine at all. In fact, I'm playing a hero because I'm a terrorist.
You're the main character?
No, I'm not a main character, but there are heroes like Sanju and Salman. But I'm trying to say I'm playing a hero as in I'm not playing a heroine as in I'm not singing songs, I'm not wearing fancy frills and flowers and things. I'm playing a hardcore terrorist kind of a thing. So as far as I'm concerned, I don't want to get stuck to one cutie pie thing and just do it because I know I do it well, But I want to try and sort of experiment with different kind of roles and different kind of things. So it's for my satisfaction.
So this is a big hint for the producers and the directors.
What? They're already coming. They're coming. I'm kidding.
No, but from the way you're talking, I think this is like a refreshing change. You're enjoying doing different kind of roles, and you're enjoying these roles from the regular ones.
Yes, because I think now in this 8 years of my career, I've reached a point where now I don't want to get stuck into a certain thing just because that pays me well or that gets me good, fame or that gets me popularity. I've done enough. Now I want to do something that I get satisfied with. As you know.
Is there a dream role that you're looking for?
Well, what I wanted to do was Das, and I'm doing it.
You're doing it.
Yes.
So you've got something.
I'm doing action with the guys. I'm running around with machine guns. I've been, firing LMGs, and it's great.
How about some like real serious roles like arts and stuff like that?
Like what?
Any interest in art movies and art kind of roles?
I don't believe that art kind of role. What more can Shool be? Shool, have you seen Satya? It's a complete. It's a serious film. I don't believe in anything called art and cinema, as in commercial cinema. There's no difference. Cinema is cinema. On the contrary, commercial cinema is more tougher to do because you're singing and dancing, you're doing a kind of hard work. Art cinema, according to me, is very normal. You're just acting what you're doing every day. No makeup, nothing. You don't have to wear jewelry and dance in the sun or anything. Commercial cinema is a lot more hard work. The kind of action our guys do, the kind of stunts they do, that's all commercial cinema. The kind of dances we do with heavy jewelry, and in fact, there's a number which I did. It was in a film called Vinashak. It was Duba Duba. It's a semi-Afro kind of beat.
Right.
And I was wearing actually heavy metal jackets, and every time I'd come, my body would be all scratched up and bleeding, and every night. And knees used to be bruised because it was tough. So that no one should dismiss commercial cinema saying, oh, it's commercial cinema. It's a lot more hard work than making
I don't think anybody misses commercial cinemas. I think there's more people watching commercial cinema than the...
Yeah, it's like making a semi-documentary and passing it off as art. I don't believe in that. Showing poverty and saying, oh, this is what India is all about is nonsense. That is not art. And surprisingly, these kind of ridiculous films win at the festivals. They like to show the slums of India and this and that. That is nonsense, according to me.
That is only some kind of festivals. I don't think all kind of festivals...
And I'm very, very surprised. Why is that called art? I mean, even I can enter a juggy into a hutment and show slum dwellers living.
Maybe somebody out there can answer Raveena's question. Why do they call it art?
I don't understand. Anyway, what I believe in art, acting is acting. Whether you're doing it commercially or you're doing it this way. I have balanced it, like I was telling you. Shool I'm doing, you might call it art. But for me, that is serious cinema. Shool should be coming out by the end of this year.
That's a promising movie for all of us to
Mustafa,
watch.
according to me.
Was-
Some
was
people
a
would
good-
call it art cinema, but
Right.
according to me, that was just serious cinema.
And that was a good
I
acting,
believe in
good movie.
serious cinema and I believe in commercial cinema. There is no art and...
So you enjoy both kind of movies.
Oh, I love it. I'm balancing my films.
What about anything else about your forthcoming movies that you would like to let us know? Like some good role, something that you really enjoy doing, or some particular actors that you enjoy working with?
Well, I've fortunately formed a good rapport with all my heroes. I get along with all of them.
There
And
must be some particular actors that you really enjoy
I
working with.
enjoy these days. I used to enjoy working with Nasiruddin Shah, because I used to learn a lot from him. Then I used to enjoy working with Govinda, because I learned the sense of timing, sense of comedy from him. I enjoy working with Manoj Vajpayee now. I think he's one of the best actors that we have today in the industry. He's an actor. I mean, he's not just one star and bashing up 10 people. He's an actor. And generally, I enjoy being in this line, period. I enjoy myself doing the roles.
So this was what Raveena wanted to do when she was a little girl, or she just grew up
Never.
into... How did it come about?
It's a long story. Do
It's
you
a
really
long
want me to
story.
tell it?
Can you make it a little bit shorter, like give us some highlights of how movie came
Okay,
about
when
in
I was
Raveena's
about
life?
her age, this little girl's age, who's this sweet little girl who's watching the show with us. And well, all my in parties and all my cousins and all used to make me dance, because apparently I used to dance well when I was a child. गाने लगाते थे and I used to dance.
इसलिए अच्छा डांस कर लेती हो.
नहीं,
पहले से
वो
शौक था.
inborn sort of होता है. दो मैंने कोई ट्रेनिंग वगैरह नहीं ली है, ना मैंने कोई एक्टिंग क्लासेस लिए हैं, ना मैंने कोई डांस क्लासेस लिए हैं.
अभी लेती होगी, definite, because some of your dances are really, really great.
Okay. Thank you. But the thing is that what happened to me is that I never wanted to do movies. I never even thought about it. My family, because I was this fat, round little kid, okay?
Which is very hard to believe.
When I got into school and everything, all my dad's friends who were producers and stuff used to, keep telling me that, come and, they used to tell my dad, why don't you launch her and stuff. My dad, are you mad? She in films, nobody even thought about it. The thing is that I just started getting offers and stuff, and one day I just started thinking that why not, when there's so many people struggling to get into this line, and I'm getting घर बैठे बैठे offer आ रहे हैं, literally opportunities
ये
knocking
कब
at my
था? College के
I'm
वक्त
talking
या?
about like my 10th standard, 9th standard.
Oh, that young?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
I just said yes, and the next day I was shooting. Period. That was it. Listen, I've got to get going now because